Hey tech aficionados, welcome to the Wednesday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast. Buckle up because today we've got some juicy updates. Microsoft's $1 billion digital leap in Kenya and their mind-blowing AI announcements, Google infusing AI into Honor smartphones, and their new QR code file sharing feature, NVIDIA's jaw-dropping 628% profit surge, and a game-changing 10-for-1 stock split, and Logitech's stock rating upgrade, and their latest AI-powered conference gadgets. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this electrifying tech news roundup. Let's dive in. Today we're diving into the world of Microsoft and all the buzz surrounding this tech giant. Let's unpack everything you need to know about why Microsoft is making headlines today. First up, we've got Microsoft's massive digital investment in Kenya. Teaming up with G42, an AI company, they're dropping a jaw-dropping $1 billion to transform Kenya's digital landscape. This isn't just some chump change. We're talking a state-of-the-art green data center running on renewable geothermal energy, nestled in Olkaria, Kenya. This initiative aims to supercharge cloud adoption and digital transformation across the region, bringing AI and tech goodies to the masses. President William Samoei Ruto said this partnership is about much more than tech. It's about empowering citizens and positioning Kenya as a digital leader. High fives all around. But the fun doesn't stop there. At Microsoft's Build 2024 event, it was raining AI announcements like confetti. Their new Copilot Plus PCs are equipped with the most powerful neural processing units in the PC category, handling AI operations without breaking a sweat. Imagine having a computer that's 20 times more powerful and 100 times more efficient for AI tasks. And guess what? These new Copilot Plus PCs hit the market on June 18th. Ready, set, shop. Microsoft didn't just stop at hardware. New AI-powered features and tools were unveiled, like the multimodal small language model Phi 3 Vision, which processes both text and images on your device. Next, they introduced Team Copilot, an AI assistant designed to integrate seamlessly into Microsoft productivity apps like Teams, Loop, and Planner. The goal? To automate mundane tasks and keep your work life a breeze. Another spicy tidbit is the emphasis on the real-time video translation feature coming to the Microsoft Edge browser. This will translate videos across platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn into multiple languages, including Hindi, German, and Spanish. The feature is set to roll out soon. Talk about bridging language barriers. And if you thought Microsoft was just sitting back and letting others take the AI spotlight, think again. CEO Satya Nadella reminded everyone that AI is a tool, not a human replacement. This comment came amid the debut of a voice assistant from OpenAI, which Microsoft has heavily invested in. Nadella thinks of AI as different intelligence rather than something to humanize. A sensible approach, don't you think? However, all this AI glory has some investors raising eyebrows. Gene Munster from Deepwater Asset Management expressed concerns about Microsoft's dependency on OpenAI. With Sam Altman's OpenAI potentially exploring other partnerships, Microsoft's autonomy in AI seems a bit cloudy. But hey, they've already invested $13 billion in OpenAI, so it's not like they're dipping a toe in cautiously. They've cannonballed in. Tech analysts from Goldman Sachs and Mizuho Securities are all thumbs up, reinforcing buy ratings for Microsoft stock. They believe the company's AI innovations will keep it at the forefront of the tech industry. And let's be real, stats don't lie. Microsoft stock has climbed a staggering 77% since the start of last year and shows no sign of slowing down. So from groundbreaking AI advancements and global digital initiatives to robust stock performance, Microsoft is proving once again that it's not just keeping up with the tech race, it's leading it. Stay tuned as we continue to track their every move, because let's be honest, the future is looking very Microsofty. All right, get ready for a dose of Google-powered news. Google has been making waves on multiple fronts. Let's dive into the updates. First off, Google is working its AI magic again. Honor has announced that its next lineup of smartphones will be loaded with Google's cutting-edge AI features. This means Google's AI assistant, Gemini, and their text-to-image generation tool, Imagen 2, will be on board. Imagine opening apps with just a glance. Honor is following in Samsung's footsteps, which also recently integrated Google's AI prowess into its devices. However, it seems Google isn't the only one in this AI race. Apple might be looking to Microsoft for an AI boost to upgrade Siri. But hey, let's not get distracted. Today is all about Google. Next, we're jetting off to Indonesia, where Alidiri has been named a Google Cloud Managed Services provider. This is big news for businesses in the region, as they can now leverage Alidiri's expertise in Google Cloud technologies. Alidiri has passed Google's stringent audits, ensuring top-notch service quality and personnel expertise. From infrastructure management to security, Alidiri is all set to maximize the value of cloud investments for its customers. Talk about taking cloud computing to new heights. Now, let's talk about Quick Share for Android. You know how annoying it is to wait for Bluetooth to connect when you just want to share a quick file? Well, Google is reportedly testing a fabulous new feature that uses QR codes to speed up this process. The latest Google Play Service beta version hints at this functionality, making file sharing as simple as scan and send. While it's still in testing, the potential for quicker connections and smoother sharing experiences is exciting. Fingers crossed, it makes the cut. Moving on, let's get a bit more organized. If you're still fumbling with calendar invites and missing meetings, Google Calendar has got your back. It's already a fantastic tool for scheduling, but there's always more to learn. With Gemini AI recently added to Google Workspace, managing your agenda has never been easier or more efficient. From creating multiple calendars to syncing with your iPhone, Google Calendar ensures you stay on top of everything. Say goodbye to double bookings and hello to productivity. Last but definitely not least, Goldman Sachs has reiterated a buy rating on Alphabet, stating that Google's AI-driven growth is poised to boost ad revenue. From integrating AI into search and YouTube ads to leveraging creator content in the streaming world, Google is capitalizing on evolving consumer habits. AI is not just a buzzword, it's actively enhancing Google's advertising performance, making it a key player in the digital ad space. In summary, Google's been busy infusing AI across devices, cloud services, and productivity tools, while also boosting its standing in digital advertising. It looks like Google's innovation train has no brakes, and we're all here for the ride. NVIDIA is back in the spotlight today, and it's making headlines for all the right reasons. Picture this: a 600% profit explosion, a stock rally, jaw-dropping earnings, and a 10-for-1 stock split. I mean, are we even surprised? This company is on fire. Let's dive into the juicy details. First off, NVIDIA just reported a bombshell earnings report that has shattered Wall Street forecasts. For the 3-month period ending April 30th, NVIDIA reported an earnings per share of $0.6012 with $26 billion in sales. And guess what? Those numbers blew past the analysts' expectations of $5.60 per share and $24.59 billion in sales. Talk about overachieving. Now let's talk about the profit jump. NVIDIA's profits skyrocketed 628%, and its revenues surged 268% compared to last year's similar period. To put that into perspective, this was NVIDIA's most profitable and highest sales quarter ever. What's behind this meteoric rise? No points for guessing, it's their AI-intensive data center division. This particular segment raked in $22.6 billion of revenue last quarter, showing a whopping 427% year-over-year increase. If you need another mind-boggling stat, that's like 20 times higher than what the division brought in back in 2020. Oh, and it doesn't end there. NVIDIA also announced a 10-for-1 stock split set to occur on June 7th. What does that mean for the average investor? Well, the share price will be trimmed from around $950 to a more palatable $95, making it easier for everyone to own a piece of the pie. So if you've always wanted to invest in NVIDIA, but thought it was just a tad out of your budget, here's your golden ticket. Stock price movements are a roller coaster, and NVIDIA's ride seems to be on the upswing. Their stock jumped immediately by 4% post-earnings release and has been sitting at an all-time high. Analysts were predicting a potential 8% swing in either direction, but it looks like this chip giant is leaning heavily on the positive side. Not to mention, NVIDIA has been the MVP of the AI boom in the last couple of years, with their clients including heavyweights like Amazon and Microsoft. How's that for a roster? Even more impressive, NVIDIA's market capitalization has ballooned to around $2.3 trillion, making it the third most valuable company in the world. Not bad for a company that was under $400 billion in value just a bit over a year ago. But it's not all smooth sailing. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's mastermind CEO, knows the competition is heating up. Rivals like AMD and tech giants like Google and Meta are developing their own AI chips to cut down reliance on NVIDIA. While there's no immediate threat, everyone's eyes are on NVIDIA's next moves. In summary, NVIDIA's earnings report has lit a fire under its stock, boosted by unprecedented profits and a promising future in AI. Whether you're a seasoned stock market veteran or a newbie investor, NVIDIA is the talk of the town, and for good reason. Keep your eyes peeled, folks. This is going to be one wild ride. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Logitech International SA, a company that's making headlines left and right. So, let's break it down. First up, Logitech is turning heads in the stock market with some stellar upgrades. Their relative strength rating just ticked up from a solid 78 to an even more impressive 81. Now, for those scratching their heads, let me decode that for you. The RS rating is a nifty little score that ranges from 1 to 99, tracking how a stock's price action stacks up against the entire market over the past year. Research shows that a rating of 80 or higher often tags stocks that are primed for big moves. With 4 quarters of rising earnings and consistent sales growth, Logitech is definitely flexing its financial muscles. Take note, they're now ranked second in the computer hardware peripherals industry group, just behind Supermicro Computer. But wait, there's more. Logitech isn't just content with stock market prowess, they're also amping up their product game. They've recently rolled out the MeetUp 2, the latest in their savvy line of AI-powered USB conference cameras. This sleek gadget is tailored for huddle and small meeting rooms, boasting Right Sight 2 technology, which zeroes in on the active speaker and drowns out unwanted noise. And, for all you IT folks out there, remote monitoring and software updates make managing these bad boys a breeze. Compatible with the holy trinity of virtual meetings, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet, the MeetUp 2 is poised to make a splash. Speaking of splashes, Logitech has been on an innovation spree. Just in the past year, they've cranked out goodies like the MX Brio 705 for business, MX Keys S Combo, MX Keys S, and MX Anywhere 3S under their Master Series aimed at creatives and software developers. Not to mention their Zone 2 wireless headphones featuring AI for crystal clear calls. Oh, and let's not overlook the eco-friendly Logitech Sight, an AI-powered tabletop companion camera that's racked up certifications from Microsoft Teams and Zoom Room. Phew, that's a lot of goodies. Currently, Logitech holds a Zacks rank number 3, with their shares delivering a hearty 41.7% return over the past year. They've clearly caught the eye of tech analysts, even getting nods from powerhouse stocks like AppFolio, Arista Networks, and Alphabet. So what do you think, folks? Is Logitech International SA positioning itself as the next big player in the tech world? Are their innovative products catching your eye? Or are you more intrigued by their rising stock performance? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, comments, and hot takes below. Until next time, keep geeking out with the latest tech trends and stay tuned for more updates. All right, tech aficionados, let's dive into some investment insights. Today, we're zeroing in on NVIDIA and deciding whether to sell, buy, or hold based on today's electrifying news. NVIDIA has just dropped a bombshell earnings report with profits skyrocketing 628% and revenues surging 268% compared to last year. Their data center division alone pulled in a mind-boggling $22.6 billion in revenue, up 427% year over year. To top it all off, NVIDIA announced a 10-for-1 stock split happening on June 7th, making shares more accessible to new investors. Oh, and did I mention their market cap touched an eye-popping $2.3 trillion? Given these developments, I would buy NVIDIA stock. Here's why. Overwhelming earnings report. Shattering Wall Street's expectations with such stellar numbers indicates strong financial health and a solid business model. 2. AI dominance. They've cemented their leadership in the AI space, which is only set to grow. Clients like Amazon and Microsoft mean they're an excellent company. 3. Stock split. Making shares more affordable generally invites more retail investors, which tends to push the stock price up. 4. Future growth potential. Despite competition heating up, NVIDIA's innovative strategies and robust product pipelines keep them ahead. Plus, the AI boom doesn't seem to be cooling off anytime soon. However, remember, no stock is a guaranteed winner, and you should always do your own research and maybe chat with a financial advisor before making investment moves. But if you ask me, NVIDIA looks like it's in it to win it. Hold on tight, keep those investing hats on, and stay tuned for the ride. Wow, what a day in the tech world. Between Microsoft's groundbreaking digital investments in Kenya and game-changing AI announcements, Google's AI advancements powering devices and cloud services, NVIDIA's jaw-dropping financial surge and stock split, and Logitech's impressive stock performance and innovative product rollouts, these tech giants are making big waves in the market. If you found today's rundown insightful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share the video with your tech-savvy friends. Trust me, you won't want to miss tomorrow's buzz-packed tech news roundup.